So today I'll be showing you how to install MySQL. So first, just browse MySQL and then click on MySQL. It is an official website. And then here go to downloads. Then scroll down and you'll find MySQL community downloads. Just click on it and then again go down and MySQL installer for Windows. Click on this. So after that, you'll get two options. Click on the second one. Here, download. So this second one, you can go like it'll work both on 32-bit and 64-bit. So you should choose the second one and then no thanks, just start my downloads. Click on it and then it'll start getting downloaded. So just wait for it until it gets downloaded. So once it gets downloaded, just click on this so it will get open and then you will get a screen preparing to install, so just wait for a few seconds. And then here, do you want to make changes to the device? Yes. And then again, you should wait for a few seconds and then it'll be installed. So it takes some time. Yeah. And then again, yes. Yeah. So after this, you'll get a screen like this. So here, choose custom. We'll customize our thing like whatever we require. Then here you can see all the three options. Here first click on the plus sign near MySQL server. Again the plus sign. Till the end you keep on clicking and there is no plus sign. Then click on the last one and then you'll get a blue box like this. So after that click on the next arrow mark. So you can see it got added here. Then click on the applications, MySQL, workbench, and then for the plus plus, the end one, blue color, and then next arrow. Again, go to documentation, MySQL documentation, MySQL documentation 8.0 and then 8.0.4. Blue color, click on the next. So once you get all these three, click on next, execute, and then it takes time to install everything. So you can see this pencil mark is there. It means it is installing this one. And then tick or something in green color if it comes, it gets installed. So wait for it until it gets installed. All the three gets installed. Once it gets completed, all the three gets completed, click on next and then you can see this and then again click on next. So here you don't have to do any changes as it is whatever port, X protocol port, everything should be the same. And then again click on next and then you should give a strong password. So just type your password and then you should also remember the password. So here after the password, okay, the password doesn't match. I don't know what have I given. Yeah. So password strength strong. You can give medium also, it will accept nothing, no problem. Then again click on next and then here as it is MySQL 80 is the name and then next. Yes, grant full access. Next. Here once you click execute, it'll start ticking itself by itself. So just wait for some time until it ticks itself. Okay. So after that, click on finish, next, finish. So within few seconds, it'll open. So MySQL workbench. So once this thing opens, now go to files and here go to C file. So I'll go to this PC, C. Here go to program files, MySQL, and then first one MySQL Server 8.0. Then click on bin, and then copy the path, and then go to type environment variables, open it, and then here click on environment variables, and then go to system variables. Here double click on path. So you can see already have it. So after this, click on new and then paste it. Click on OK, again OK, and again OK. So after this, you have pasted the path. Now go to command prompt. So here, just a minute, type MySQL minus version. So you can see, just a second, version 8.0.45 for Windows this thing. So it means your MySQL is installed. So just type MySQL space -u space root -p and then enter. So whatever password you gave, type that password. So yeah, you can see this thing MySQL and then this arrow mark. So it means MySQL got downloaded. So that was it for this video. Bye bye, and then just don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.